In the business report, the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce is to host the third leg of its 2025 MSME Business Roadshow in Santa Cruz at the St. Elizabeth Technical High School on Thursday, March 6. The Cross-Island Road shows are held in collaboration with the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB. Attendees will have access to 19 agencies under the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, along with support from other government entities, financial institutions, and corporate sponsors. Jamaica-based Productive Business Solutions Limited, which has a complement of 3,000 IT professionals, has expanded its portfolio with the acquisition of 45% equity in Trinidad Systems Limited. Last year, the company completed the acquisition of Xerox's operations in Peru and Ecuador, increasing its footprint in Latin America and strengthening the relationship it has with Xerox. Speaking during the recent media launch for the Global Services Association of Jamaica's Outsourced to Jamaica conference at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in Kingston, Vice President of BPO and Logistics at the Port Authority of Jamaica, Gloria Henry, said that the growth of the sector over the last 40 years has been significant. Jamaican BPO sector now occupies 3 million square feet island-wide. Up next, we have the market highlights from Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending March 4, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Real estate conglomerate Pan Jamaica Group Limited with 344,365,449 units traded, representing 95.22% of market sales volume. Caribbean financial conglomerate JMB Group Limited 9.5% preference shares with 7,047,244 units traded, representing 1.95% of market sales volume. And toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 1,674,329 units traded, representing 0.46% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 4, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $55.81 million was purchased and US $54.95 million was sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.87 per dollar, selling the US at $157.88 and buying the US at $156.01. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 67 cents per transaction, with selling at $108.58 and buying at $107.91. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.44 in profit, with selling at $198.21 and buying at $196.77.
For your credit report tip of the day, reaching your 60s with debt can feel like a heavy emotional weight. Yes, there may be regret. Yes, there may be frustration, but there's also hope. The moment you decide to take action, you shift from feeling powerless to empowered. Debt doesn't have to follow you into your retirement years. You can break free. One suggestion is to find new income streams without overworking. Ideas such as freelancing, consulting, or monetizing a hobby can bring in extra income without exhausting yourself. Then consider downsizing or renting extra space. A smaller home can lower expenses, or renting out a room can create passive income.